Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update LibreOffice. So let's have a look now. At first open LibreOffice and then click on here. From the menu, choose Check for Updates. If an update is available, you will see this under Status. If an update is available, click on Download. It will download the updated version. So here, as you can see, no update is available. I'm just going to click Close. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.